Hi friends, today I'm going to take you through a really fun yoga flow called Everything Groovy. I'm really excited for this because in this flow, we're going to have a continuous cycle of a flow. And I love teaching those. It's really special for me when I can build a flow that can go as long as I want it to, longer than I want it to, and you just find this space on your yoga mat where you can move without having to think too much. So it's going to be a lot of fun. When you're ready, meet me on your yoga mat. Today we're going to begin lying down on our backs because we're starting with some core activation. Didn't see that coming, did ya? Come to lying down on your yoga mat on your back and bring your knees to reverse tabletop. Now, see, I'm being nice to you because we're gonna do a core exercise where you just get to lie down on your back. That's like half of the work gone. So you're gonna crush this, don't even worry. Make your palms flat to the sky and then press your palms onto your knees. Flex your toes here. And the motion we're gonna do, you're going to press your hands into your knees like you're trying to press your legs away from you, but at the same time, you're going to press your knees into your hands. So there's this wall of energy here, energy pushing against one another. Neither one has to be stronger or win. You just wanna find that even ground that's enough to activate your tummy. A variation for this posture is to lift your shoulders up. Let's go. Hop right into this posture. We're just gonna press here. Get a little bit of core activation before we move through this groovy yoga flow. Make sure you're breathing. Inhale. Exhale, press even harder. Oh my goodness, my voice is shaking. Inhale. And exhale, press. Inhale. And exhale, relax for just a moment. Hug your knees into your chest. It's funny because you probably think that's all, but it's not. Let's go. Second round, lift up and press. Knees into hands, hands into knees. Inhale, exhale. Now, with this posture, you can activate more of your core simply by squeezing your low belly while you're doing this. Wow, my voice is shaking so much. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Hug your knees in your chest. Okay. I think you've done enough. You have the option to roll on your side and press yourself up to a seat, or you can rock and roll 2 or 3 times until you're in a seated position, and then bring yourself to tabletop pose. From tabletop, we're gonna move into fetal position. So bring your knees together and have a seat on your feet. And you're gonna bring your forehead down to the earth, sending your arms out beside your body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now with your next inhale, lift your torso up, coming to standing on your knees, reaching your arms up above your head. So we're taking a kneeling mountain pose here. Exhale here. Inhale, reach a little bit higher. And exhale to the fetal pose. Now we're gonna move through this breath to movement. Inhale, kneeling mountain. Exhale, fetal pose. Inhale, kneeling mountain. Exhale, fetal pose. Move through this with your own breath at your own pace. When you're coming into the fetal pose, try to relax completely. Even if it's just for half a second. Inhale for kneeling mountain, squeeze your core tight. Exhale, relax. Just a few more here. Last one. And then lift yourself up to seated on your knees. Coming up to standing, separate your knees along with your shin bones to hip-width distance apart or a little bit wider. From here, we're gonna move through something I don't actually think I have taught before. We're gonna do a half camel pose. So reaching your biceps up by your ears, take a deep breath in. Exhale, half camel. Drop your right arm down to your right ankle. And if you can't reach your foot, that's okay. You can still take the same motion. But if you can, press your hips forward and reach your left arm back. And inhale, kneeling mountain. Exhale, half camel to the left side. Inhale, kneeling mountain. Exhale, half camel. Inhale, kneeling mountain. Exhale, half camel. Now move through this with your own breath, moving fluidly. With every single inhale you take, that brings you back up. And with every exhale you take, that brings you to a half camel on one side or the other. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Just a few more here. Great job. One more on each side. And inhale to kneeling mountain and come to seated on your knees and walk your arms forward as you come to a child's pose. We're just gonna take a minute here to allow the muscles in our low back to have a counter stretch after those little side back bends on each side. Inhale. Exhale. On your next inhale, press up to tabletop. Exhale here. Inhale, tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Press down through your palms to send your chest toward your thighs. Let your head and neck hang heavy. Now we're gonna move through a little warm up before we get into that continuous flow. Inhale your right leg high. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose, crunch underneath your body, squeeze your belly really tight. Inhale your right leg high. Exhale, bring your knee to the same side elbow, keeping your leg lifted up high. Inhale your leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Step your foot through between your palms. Gently drop down to your back knee and untuck your back toes. Inhale, kneeling crescent. Exhale, vertical twist to the right. Inhale here. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, kneeling crescent. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, tuck your back toe, lift your knee up off the mat with your exhale, and inhale, full crescent lunge. Exhale, vertical twist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, plant your palms. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, chaturanga dandasana, or your choice of flow. Lower down halfway. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale your left leg high. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose, crunch underneath your body. Inhale your left leg high. Exhale, bring your knee to your same side, elbow squeeze tight. Inhale your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Step your foot through between your palms. Drop down to your back knee, untuck your back toe. Inhale, kneeling crescent. Exhale, vertical twist to the left. Drop your left arm down and back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, kneeling crescent. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, tuck your back toe, and with your exhale, lift your knee up off the mat. Inhale, full crescent lunge. Exhale, vertical twist to the left. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, plant your palms. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, take your vinyasa. Whatever flow feels the best in your body. From downward facing dog, take a deep breath in and a deep exhale. Ready to move into the continuous flow? Let's go. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Step, hop, or float to the top of your mat. Bringing your toes to touch. Let your head and neck hang heavy. With your two peace fingers of your right hand, wrap them around the big toe of your left foot. And inhale, rise up for opposite hand to opposite foot pose. Lengthen your arm back and your spine up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exalted warrior. As you let go of your foot and allow your left foot to glide back, your right arm is going to reach up and over, bringing yourself into crescent pose. And the exalted comes from dropping your right arm back onto your left thigh, reaching your left arm up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale, cartwheel your hands down, planting your right hand down on the earth for sage tree pose. You're going to gently send your right leg out beside you without touching it down to the floor. Keep your left hand on your ear, reaching your elbow up and away. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Inhale, plant your palm down, and exhale, wild thing. Very gently shift your weight back. We're moving through this really slow now, and we will so on the other side as well. And then we're going to flow breath to movement. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, low lunge to the top of your mat. Inhale, step your foot up, and exhale, fold. Take the peace fingers of your left hand, wrap them around the big toe of your right foot, and inhale, rise up for revolved hand to big toe pose. Lengthen your right arm back and your torso up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, exalted warrior. Very gently let go of your foot. Allow your right foot to go down and back while your left arm goes up and back, coming into a crescent lunge. And you get the exalted by bringing your left hand to the back of your right thigh, reaching your right arm up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, reach. And inhale, sage tree. Cartwheel your hand down, planting your left hand on the earth. Turn onto the knife edge of your right foot. Send your left foot out to the side with your right hand on your ear. reaching your elbow up. We have a lot happening here. Take a deep breath in and exhale. One more breath in. Exhale, plant your palm and send your body to wild thing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale, low lunge. Inhale, step your right foot in. Exhale, fold forward. Now we're gonna move breath to movement. If you are at your own pace, not following my same pace, that's totally fine. Take it at the pace that is best for your body. Take your peace fingers, wrap it around your big toe. Inhale, opposite hand to opposite foot. Exhale, exalted warrior. Inhale, sage tree. Exhale, wild thing. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, forward fold. Left hand, right big toe. Inhale, rise up, opposite hand, opposite foot. Exhale, exalted warrior. Inhale, sage tree. Exhale, wild thing. Inhale, low lunge. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, right hand to left toe, opposite hand, opposite foot, rise up. Exhale, exalted warrior. Inhale, sage tree. Exhale, wild thing. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, forward fold. Left hand, right toe, inhale, rise up. Exhale, exalted warrior. Inhale, sage tree. Exhale, wild thing. Inhale, low lunge. And exhale, forward fold. One more time, both sides. Right hand, left toe. Inhale, rise up, opposite hand, opposite foot. Exhale, exalted warrior. Inhale, sage tree. Exhale, wild thing. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, forward fold. Left hand, right toe. Inhale, rise up, opposite hand, opposite foot. Exhale, exalted warrior. Inhale, sage tree. Exhale, wild thing. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your palms, step your feet back to high plank, and lower onto your knees. And have a seat. Take just a moment here to breathe. Inhale. Exhale. You are so strong, that's crazy. Inhale. Exhale. Give yourself a high five for moving through that continuous flow. From here, bring yourself back to standing on your knees with your knees hip-width distance apart along with your shin bones. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, half camel. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, half camel. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, half camel. Inhale up. Exhale, half camel. Inhale up. And exhale, have a seat. Thank you so much for flowing and glowing with me today, yogis. Namaste.